Hi everybody, welcome back to Ravishing Lather. Sherri Michelle here. Do you want to see how I created these beautiful Aqua Glacier hemp soaps? Well, stay tuned for more. First, I'm going to start by cutting out my melt and pour hemp soap base. This hemp soap base is extremely hydrating, soothing, and conditioning to the skin. It contains hemp seed oil, coconut oil, and glycerin. Now time to melt the soap and then get ready to blend. Can we just take a moment to really appreciate this beautiful pearlized white? Okay, now that all my beautiful soaps are blended, I have this beautiful green, this beautiful pearl white, and this beautiful aqua that I've blended up, and now I'm ready to pour my soap. Okay, now I've poured my first layer of green, and now I'm about to pour my beautiful pearlized white. I'm making sure to keep my white in the middle because I want to give the soap a marble effect. Okay, and now I'm just going and I'm making little swirls inside the soap to give it more of a marble effect again. And because my colors turned out so beautiful, I had to take time to slow this video down so we could appreciate this beautiful pearlized turquoise color. Okay, now that I've poured all of my soap into my mold, it's time to sit overnight and I'll come back and cut in the morning. This soap smells so divine. It smells like bergamot, grapefruit, rosebuds, and an extra hidden scent that I created. And did I mention how beautiful it is? I think I'm gonna name it Aqua Glaciers. I am so pleased. These soap bars came out so beautiful and they're so hard and they smell awesome. And ta-da! There you have it, Ravishing Lather's Aqua Glacier Hemp Soap. This soap is extremely moisturizing, soothing to skin irritations, and anti-inflammatory, and promotes healing in damaged skin. Pick yours up today. Click the link below to try our Aqua Glacier Hemp Soap. And as always, thanks for joining me. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe, comment below. See you soon.